Hey guys, this is Old Man Wags here with Dirk to the Pressure Washers, talking to you about one of our jetter hoses. This specific hose that we're going to draw your attention to is available in up to 300-foot lengths. Custom crimps are available by request. This is available in 1/4 inch size, and then we have other hoses available if you're looking for something beefier. A hose like this that's rated for 4,000 PSI with a 3-to-1 burst rating and up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, it is basically only used for one specific application. This is what you'd use if you're looking into some sort of sewer jetting application where you have a long run of septic system where you need to basically dislodge something, remove some sort of clog. This is the type of hose that you'd use. And the reason for it is that 1/4 inch hose translates to it's able to go through whatever size pipe you need it to. That's about as small as they get for a hose this length. You can get 16th inch hose, but it's not going to be nearly as long. And it's really going to be for something that is more of a temporary fix or solution, whereas this would be your entry level to commercial grade. The 1/4 inch crimps that are on here are both available in swivel crimps. What's important about that is you would normally be installing one of these crimps right into your linear gun jet, which has a 1/4 inch thread on the outbound so you can squeeze and operate, whereas the other side is going to go right into some sort of sewer nozzle. That in itself is what makes this hose pretty specific to that industry. It's really not used for that many other things, but this is one of the more durable hoses on the market. More importantly, because of the type of jacket, because of the type of wire braiding that's in this, and because of the fact that it is commercial grade, it is available for us to make hose repairs if for some reason it gets stuck in the jetter and you have to cut it, or it were to burst on a job because of what it is that you're running. If you like what you see, we'd love to hear feedback in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's kill some dirt.